Looking for literary criticism or background on an author? Here are some tips for using the library's Literary Reference Center database for finding the full text of articles. You can browse major authors and works from the landing page, or begin searching if you've already selected your topic. Before starting to search, click the Choose Databases link to add in additional places to search. Check the box that says MLA International Bibliography. Click OK to search both databases at the same time. Back on the search screen, use the keyword search to find information on a particular author or work. I'll search for Death of a Salesman. You see that I get a lot of results. If you do not get many results, check your spelling or try searching by the author's name instead. You can use the left column to limit your search results. If your professor is requiring academic articles, you can check the box for peer-reviewed to get rid of any popular magazines or newspapers. You can also use the source type to limit your results just to biographies and literary criticism, if that's what you're trying to find. The subject limiter can help you refine your results even further. You can quickly skim through the search results by hovering your mouse over the spyglass icon. This will open the article's abstract or summary in a pop-up window. When you find an article that seems relevant, click on the title link for the full record for that article. If you see a PDF or HTML icon, the article is immediately available in full text. Click the email link on the right side to email it to yourself. Check the box for citation format and change it to the style required by your professor. This way your email will also include the citation. Make sure you enter your email address correctly, then click Send. On the article's main page, you can also click the Cite button to copy and paste the citation into your Works Cited page. Just be sure to double check that everything is formatted correctly. When you're finished with the article, click the Results List link to go back to your search results and find another article. Those are just a few of the basics. Be sure to ask a librarian if you need more help. Good luck on your research!